Okay, yeah, my guess was right that she took Aki to a hospital. Yeah, that's what I was initially confused about 2 episodes ago. I'm like, those are humans. And be silent. Oh, Dingy's backing up. Or back to normal. Got his legs and everything. It's sweet that they're watching out for him, even though they're clearly eating his apples. Someone definitely brought those for Aki. There's a bucket full of apples. You ran, so no apples for you. She said I got hungry and went home. There's a bucket of apples right there. No, just you three. Oh, well, and Kobeni, yeah. That shrimp Kobeni. Yeah, but he quit, the guy with the glasses. I knew that that was for him. Did he say me and Powie? I just realized that. Yeah, leave him his apples. You could at least left him two. It was kind of sweet that they were in his room waiting for him, or watching over him. You know, in their own little way. Yeah, he's thinking about him, you know. Oh wow. 2 years? What? Wow. I take back what I said about the smoking. Like, yeah, you only got 2 years, you might as well do what you want, dude. He's about to get frustrated. Oh, okay, no, it's sparked. I thought he was about to get frustrated and throw it or something. We're gonna have to wrap this series up kind of quick then if he only has 2 years. Or they might find a way around it, who knows. Yeah. She said she asked him to cry for her, so that just sucks though. Oh, dude, go check on him. Bought it too. What was he just realizing? I mean, you didn't really know them like that though. Does he like... Probably not. What's he gonna say? I mean, you can't really... Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, you'd be down for a while. Right after 3 days, I'd be back to enjoying stuff. Yeah, that's literally what I was about to say. Like, you can't really blame him for how he grew up. Like, his emotions, you know, it was just him and Pochita the whole time. So it was just like, he grew up in a very different way from everybody else, so you can't expect him to have like the same kind of emotions and stuff and feel the same things for people, because he was really like a loner his whole life. And now, like, literally in the matter of, I don't even know how long it's been, like literally like a week, and all of a sudden he has all these people around him and stuff like he has to get reintegrated back into society almost. Why is everyone taking his apples? Yeah. だから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。牧間さんが指導してくれるんですか？残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。Are they training at the graveyard? 君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。Oh, this must be the dude that Himino was talking to about Aki. Yeah, that's him. Recognize the hair. So yeah, he is like the trainer. So what are those other two for then? If she's...
俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
That's just depressing.
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Wow. I mean, I understand Dingy, but I understand. Yeah, I understand both of them actually.
お前たち100点だ。
Full points. Well, he was telling him and he's like, you gotta have a screw loose to do this kind of job.
怖い。
マキマ、お前は
Powers frightened. Okay.
今すぐこいつらは指導だ。
We're off to a great start.
じゃああとはよろしく。
マキマさん？
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
What else do you need in life?
Huh?
Is he about to kill them? Yeah. Oh, he broke their backs. Oh no, he's choking them. He's tall. Dang. I was about to say. They didn't even try to hit him. Oh, he did break their necks. He broke something. How did they land like that? I'm not even gonna question it.
人間様と違うのは
血の匂いじゃ。
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
Oh, he's gonna put them through it. Yeah. He's like, you two, I can just give you some blood and you'll be back to normal. Yeah. That'd be like every fight teacher's dream. Be like, yeah, I can put you through the ringer and just have you get right back up. Yeah, that is a
なん
problem.
でさっきわしらを締めた？
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。
Oh, so yeah, he's like, if you can beat me.
俺を倒せるようになるまで、俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Oh, wow.
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
His brain is diseased.
デンジ。
Oh wow, that was cool. You see like the tip of the blade go through his shoulder multiple times, and then the cuts appeared. Dude, in the graveyard that was crazy. The boy is immortal. What do you mean mostly? Did he say immortal or immoral?
俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。
Because I was too strong.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
Well, now you've got him. Oh, cool. We get in a training arc. This is gonna be cool. I hope it lasts for at least 2 or 3 episodes. Is he trying to call it there?
ほら、出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろ。
Oh wow.
私は得意課にいる人間組のキャリア相談に来ました。不謹慎やけど、今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど。
Oh, wow.
実際、君の彼女
Oh, so they're saying like, yeah, you can't use their fox anymore. You only have a few years left. So are they like HR trying to get him to retire? Or are they gonna like introduce him to some new curses or something?
やめへんならもっと強い役に契約して得意課に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
僕を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
So, but when you kill them though, is that like, because the guy cut the fox devil's head in half and the fox devil is still alive, so it's like, even if you go and kill them, like, will it even do anything? Oh, okay, they'll be back tomorrow.
ヨートン先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。 得意化にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろ。ってね。女性のお客さん来てますよ。
Is it Makima? No, he wouldn't have called Makima a lady. He would have said Miss Makima. He wouldn't have said there's a lady here to see you. Wait. Who is that? Yeah, of course they're not gonna show us.
迎えに行くからな。
Dude, he's been there beating them up all day. That's crazy. Did he leave them some blood so they could get home?
Yeah.
What Denji? What is happening? What is happening right now? I'm mad that worked.
今日何回殺された
20回以上じゃ。
Over to
犬
wow.
が死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから、正確にはわからん。
This is gonna be funny. I cannot wait for the rest of this.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しく
I'm just gonna suck all the fun out of
楽し
this.
くなるために頑張ってきたのに楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ
I mean, he's just training you. Eventually, you'll get better and you'll be good to go. Yeah, I wonder if Denji will learn like that thing that sword guy was doing, where he like gets in his stance and then like he just slices right through people.
わかった。
何が
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。あいつは超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
That's not gonna help you be better fighters, though. I mean, it will, like, strategy will help you be a better fighter, but I don't think that's what Power is thinking. One of the smart characters in a manga.
わしはもう作戦100個思いついたぞ。
I'm sure she has. Is this the end of the episode? Okay, good. I say it felt like the end of the episode.
あいつらの家はどうしよう。
このつなぎ女来たな。
Are you wearing glasses?
俺たちの
How is this a part of
壊すやつ
No, because they're feeling smarter. This is gonna be funny. I was gonna stab him through the door. Oh, I was about to say, I thought she got him. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, they like filled up. So that was her blood, okay. I was about to say, she can't control other people's blood like that. Or she hasn't learned how to yet. This is actually a really good plan. I said, Dingy, you took too long. Yeah. Dang. Like the time it took him to jump down and then get the axe out of his mouth, it was too long of a setup.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて
okay.
貧血になることと、デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
You just finished the drink.
パワーか
Howie.
もう終わりだって
ラッキーじゃ。
I would say that was their only exercise for the day. Yeah, he definitely tricked him. Because they let their guard down.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Yeah, I can see why Dingy kind of lost it yesterday. I feel like dying a whole bunch of times would mess you up. Like Natsuki
強い
Subaru.
悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことを
Oh,
す
so
る
they
んじゃ
are
ありませ
gonna
んよ。
introduce him to a new one.
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。ここで武器を見つけましょう。
Oh, so they just have a bunch of curses down there. I keep saying curses because of Jujutsu Kaisen, but they have a bunch of devils down
関
there.
係ないですけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
Yeah, for real, mind your own business. If we're not allowed to know, you're not allowed to know.
バディの妹の方です
Oh no,
じゃあ殴られました？
that sucks. I bet it was her telling Aki how she felt. Oh, that's a bunch of letters. That's not just a letter.
それは私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
I wonder if they look alike. They still haven't shown her face yet. I forced Aki to get his ears pierced. Oh, so she was trying to get him to go private for a while, and he wouldn't.
悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
Hmm.
1人は寿命半分。もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Oh wow.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ。
How are they able to keep it trapped in there like that, though? I wonder what kind of abilities you would get with the future devil. Alright, so that's it for this episode of Chainsawman. Dingy and Power have officially started their training arc. It's really cool. Dingy has a nickname for Power already, so like they're getting close, becoming friends. So that's really awesome. He calls her Powie. Aki looks like he's getting introduced to a new devil to make a contract with. So yeah, because the Fox Devil, I guess they said that he'd been using it too much or something, and the Fox, I don't know, but the Fox Devil's mad at Aki, and then he only has 2 years left for that blade, or the nail sword with the Cursed Devil. So I wonder, is it like every time he pulls it out, it takes some years, or every time he pulls it out, it takes 1 year? Because it's like, what if he pulls out the sword and it takes 2 years? Like, would he die instantly? I don't really know, but yeah. So he only has 2 years left to live, which that really sucks. And which I don't know. I don't know if Himeno's sister was trying to give him the letters to make him feel better, or because I don't think it did. Like after reading that, she was trying to get him to go private for a while, and he wouldn't. I feel like he would feel that he's the reason that she died because he didn't want to go private, even though she kept trying to get him to go with her. So that might have made it a little worse, like her death and everything. So that really sucks. We didn't get to see Kobini this episode, but Dingy did reference her. He said, I forgot what he said, the chick that tried to kill me or something. But he said that those are the only 2 that survived out of Division 4, but one of them left. So yeah, so we're dwindling in numbers. It looks like everyone has been absorbed into Division 4. I believe that's what Maki was saying. Everyone from divisions 1 through 4 is now being absorbed into Division 4. So I wonder if we're ever gonna meet them. Like the guy that's training Power and Dingy, he said he was from Division 1. But yeah, their plan to try and take out the guy, whoever's the guy is that they're training him, their plan was actually pretty cool. You know, aside from the drawbacks, you know, Power using too much of her blood, and Dingy, yeah, he just, the time it took him to jump down and get his axe ready, it was just taking too long. Like I was like, yeah, you're gonna need to be faster than that. But yeah, really cool. I like getting to see the little training arcs and stuff. So hopefully, like you said, by the end of it, they're gonna be like nasty fighters. So that'll be really cool to see. But yeah, other than that, we're just trying to see if Aki gets a new contract with the Future Devil. And yeah, wondering what the abilities and stuff he'll have like after making a contract with it. Wonder, yeah, because like when you think future, you don't really, I don't know. But anyway, other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.